Projectile Motion Series, M&M Quiz 2148. Welcome. Before we get to the problem, we have a velocity vector of magnitude 24 meters per second, and the angle is 30 degrees with respect to the horizontal. Assume positive x is defined as to the right and positive y is defined as vertically up. No air resistance. Assume no air resistance. So we have a projectile that is kicked at an angle of 30 degrees with respect to the horizontal. What is the velocity vector? What is the magnitude of the velocity vector? 24 meters per second. For those of you who know trig, you can go ahead, get the horizontal and vertical components at the start. So a ball is kicked as shown before at 24 meters per second. And what is the angle? 30 degrees. The initial velocity vector makes an angle of 30 degrees with respect to the horizontal. Horizontal component then becomes 20.78 meters per second. Vertical component then becomes 12 meters per second. So here is the question. Which component is going to change as a function of time? Is it the horizontal component? Or is it the vertical component? Is it A or is it B? Welcome to hecanhelp.com. Welcome, 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 welcome. You know that the Earth is going to pull on the object along the vertical. This causes the vertical velocity vector to change as a function of time. Because the Earth is pulling on the object along the vertical, only the vertical component of the velocity vector is going to be affected. The horizontal component is unaffected by acceleration due to gravity, which is completely along the vertical. So your 24 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees is equivalent to 20.78 along horizontal and 12 meters per second along the vertical. 20.78 along the horizontal and 12 meters per second along the vertical. Please don't forget the vertical component at the very beginning, it is positive, right? So if you kick something like that, it is going to go like this and reach the maximum point. So this is A, this is B, and from point B, the vertical component of the velocity vector is negative because it's on its way down. So beyond B, it is on its way down. So this is point A. At point A, the vertical component is positive. At point B, it is 0. And beyond point B, the vertical component is negative. What about the horizontal component? The horizontal component is unaffected by gravity. So it remains exactly the same as before. So whatever it had at the start, it'll keep that forever throughout the trajectory. So what is our answer? The answer is B. George Mathew. Really, I want to wish you the best.